Am I already frozen? Gosh dang it. T guys. Just been live on YouTube there. Alright. What's going on, guys? Okay, we're live here. Let me set everything up. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Click the icon if I make new videos. If you're just coming in, if you're seeing this channel, I really appreciate that. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate that. We're free here at nomacnotrading.com, so if you guys could just subscribe to the channel, I'd really appreciate that. That helps the community out so much. 213,007. Yes, you guys heard that right. So today we're up $213,000. In total, between my inherited IRA and my challenge account, we are up over $425,000 today. In total, right now, I am over $500,000 in profits. Right now, locked in, we're up $430,000, but we're up to unrealized about $550,000, including my inherited IRA. I've also added, so I'm looking for another big Monday as well. You guys are hearing these numbers right. ONCT was the big winner, man. Ticker symbol ONCT. Big time winner today. Up over $500,000 today. You heard that right. Up over $500,000 today, guys. It feels so good. It's been slow. And I was telling Jordan, the educator, usually I can kind of feel out when we're close to a supernova, and I can kind of feel when the market's starting to come back. And usually it's always quiet before the storm when you get that big runner, which sends the rest of the market hot for the next. We'll probably get from this day forward, the market should probably be hot until next year. I think the next 2 months are going to be really hot in the small cap to mid cap world. But yeah, so let me go ahead and post this. This chart, it's funny. I posted this chart in the chat room, and I'm like, this could go after hours. This has been my top watch all day. I accumulated with about a 365 average on this one. I got a lot to explain about it. I was this close. I'm not kidding. I was like 1 cent away from stopping out on this stock. I was 1 cent away from stopping on the stock. It held above. I held it, and I couldn't be more thankful that I held this stock. Because if I take in before and after picture, why don't we just do that? It'd be kind of funny. Let's see, before and after, guys. So that's before. All right, here's the before picture. Nice descent triangle, multi-day breakout type chart, big cup, and then a handle, and then after. Excuse me, guys. Literally just straight up. Whoops, that's APVO. ONCT. ONCT, guys, straight up to 470s. I locked some in, and then I re-added when I saw APVO going. I locked everything in above $8 in the challenge account. So when we got over 8, I locked everything in. I traded this textbook, guys. I am holding ONCT overnight over the weekend. There's no question about that. Why don't I trade large caps? I do a little bit, not much. The thing is, large caps, unless I'm trading options, I can't make 100+%. I can't make $500,000 in one day like I can in small caps or mid caps. Mainly just small caps, but that's the main reason. And yeah, guys. So let's go. Be ready. 1 second. Alright, guys, how do you feel about cannabis? I have a little bit longer term in Tilray, so we'll see what happens. I'm in at like 6 something, but we'll see. So let me go ahead and get started on today. Let me just get everything set up here. It's funny, I make big time profits and everybody comes crawling in, but it's just amazing. It should be the opposite, man. You guys should be coming in here when the days are slow, when I'm going through red days, when I had like 5, 6 red days in a row. You guys should be coming in here, listening to me, understanding what I'm going through on my red days. But for whatever reason, people attract to the big green days. And it's the most popular time that you guys come in, but really it should, it should be and it shouldn't be. You guys should be coming in live, watching my videos when I'm having red days more than my green days, in all honesty, because those are the more important days to study. But that's just how we think, and that's why that's how I create some of my successes, because you have to think the opposite of most people, and that's the way I do. I'm live going over today's $500,000 today's over $500,000. Okay, let me post that. There's that. Post that. I'm gonna go small caps room. There's the trading floor. Okay, we got that covered. Options. We'll go there. Options alerts. Okay, there's that. Oh, we gotta update this as well. Whoops, I forgot about that. 213.7K. All right, guys. Good to have you on. Good to have you in. What a crazy day out there, guys. Couldn't be more blessed to be trading. And that's really all there is to it. What we do is not real life. Not many people can make over $500,000 in less than 2 hours of work. But this is trading, and I consistently try and get better and better and better to put myself in these situations. And when I study, when I work hard, when I come back and grind every day, when I'm up at 5 a.m. every day, when I stick to my routine, I stick to my process, my plan, my strategies, good things will come of it. And I can't preach that enough, guys. Where's my phone? I need my phone. Wait a minute. Where's my phone? I just had it. Uh-oh. Where's my phone? Okay, hold on a second, guys. Give me 1 second here. I need to find my phone so I can post on social media quick to let everybody know I'm live. Am I sitting on it? No? 1 second. I gotta find my phone. Give me 2 seconds. Give me 2 seconds. I gotta find my phone. 2 seconds. Okay, well, obviously it's been a good day. I literally had it in my pocket. Alright, no, I don't have my new iPhone. I ordered the iPhone 12 Max 512 gigabyte today. Should be coming in November. Should be coming in November. Should have came in November. Or should come in November 13th. Okay. Let me post this live here quick. Okay, I'm live. There's that. Give me 1 second. I'm just trying to get everything set up here. I also have to leave too because I'm gonna be I'm not gonna be home this weekend, or at least for some of the weekend. Gotta enjoy my weekend. I love the new update on Apple. Okay, APVO. ONCT. What else? ACB. Tilray. Okay, there's that. I gotta go live on TikTok. Sorry, guys. I don't know why I'm so congested. Okay. Live. Come on, come on. Okay. All right, guys. So, yes, you heard it right. Let's see here. This is my Charles Schwab account. So, yeah, I locked in some on in my inherited IRA. I still am holding some. You heard it right, guys. We are up over over $500,000 today, guys. You heard that right. What a crazy, crazy day. I tried to prepare you guys for ONCT. I really, really did. I kept saying it over and over and over again, guys. I was in ONCT. I couldn't have been more clear about ONCT today, guys. What's going on, everybody? So today was a PR day for me. We're up well over $500,000 in profits today between two accounts. And, you know, I can't preach it enough, guys. Study, study, study. You know, having a proper plan, a proper process, and a proper strategy, I can't stress it enough. You know, I've been, over the past month, that's been one of the slowest months of the year for me. But in one day, in literally 2 hours, I'm up well over $500,000, and I'm back to on pace. You know what I mean? That's how quick things can be. And now I've turned 1,000 into well over $4 million in 226 business days. I'm closing in. I only have about $900,000 left on my $1,000 to $5 million goal. I started this challenge 226 business days ago, all with $1,000. Okay. And, you know, I'm trying to show you guys that these things are possible. Okay. I'm trying to show you guys that taking $1,000 and turning it into 100,000, turning it into 25,000, turning it into $1 million, or now turning it into over $4 million is possible. I am a living example of this. And the thing is, the people who doubt me or whatever, think that it's not real, you want all these things, that's fine, you can do that, but that's not the right mentality. I've learned from so many different people out there just by putting the time in. Obviously, I put the time in, guys. Obviously, I'm waking up at, 6 a.m. every day. Obviously, I'm on stream every day. Obviously, I'm in the chat room every day. It's obvious that I put the time in. Okay, I put the time in. I'm always looking at stocks. I'm always researching stocks. So take that all aside and say, say I'm not real. Say I'm not making this kind of money. Say I'm not, a profitable trader. Say whatever. Say I'm a huge scam, right? Well, the reality is you can still learn from me. And I'm living proof. I've learned from other people that aren't necessarily as transparent as I am. And I've gotten caught in lies, okay? But I can be completely honest. I've learned a ton from them because they put the time in. So, I mean, it's up to, and I've given enough proof. I've showed my brokerage statements. I've showed you guys my live account and how I've traded. I show you guys every day my E-Trade with all the accounts fully verified, with the amount of shares that I'm buying and selling. You can go back if you really want to look. If you really want to say that I'm a huge scam and I'm not trading real money and I'm fake, how about this? I show you guys my trades every day. Go back and look at the amount of shares that I buy and sell, and you will see them in the market every single time. I will bet my entire net worth saying if you go through and look at all my account statements, which I show every single day, I show all my trades, go back and look at how many shares that I buy and sell. You will see them go through on every chart of every stock that I've ever shown. I guarantee it. Okay? Yes, I turned 1,000 and over $4 million in 226 business days. I realize that it sounds crazy. It sounds like it's not possible, but do me a favor. Put the time in. Do your DD. Don't just come out and say, hey, you're just full of shit. Yeah, I'm not going to cuss. You're just full of crap, okay? Because the reality is, if you put the time in, if you actually looked at all my accounts, right? If you actually have seen the losses that I've had and the wins, okay? In my course, I show you guys my biggest loss and my biggest win, okay? Abdul GX, reach out to me reach out to me, Abdul. Reach out to me on Discord. Abdul GX, reach out to me on Discord. Okay? I want to see how much the room banked. Anyways, guys, I'm not going to sit here. Yeah, I know. Maybe I should just get a Lambo, get some. Maybe I should buy a couple Ferraris. Maybe I should buy a mansion and get out of this apartment. I tried to buy a house. I got outbid. I'm not going to be stupid about it. It was a nice house. Then there might have been more belief and less doubt when I show you guys the kind of house that I was going to get. But I got outbid. It's whatever. This is a hot market. I'm going to make smart decisions. But we've officially turned 1,000 over to over $4 million in 226 business days. Our goal is 1,000 to 5 million before the end of the year. I'm up over $500,000 today, and my point is, I'm not here to brag. I'm not here to say all this. I'm here to motivate, guys. I'm here to potentially try and get you to at least try and learn, at least put the time and the effort in, at least work hard. If you do want to get out of your job, which 70% of America does, and you want to try something different, this to me is the best career you could possibly have. It's just not reality what we do. I literally click buttons all day long, and that's it. I'm not working at 5 a.m. I'm not working at 2 a.m. I'm not saving lives. I'm not picking up after people's shit. I'm gonna say it. I'm not picking up after people's shit and all that. I'm not emptying those sewers. I'm not doing any of that. I literally made over $500,000. Okay. As I was working out, as I'm improving my life, as I'm literally improving my health, I'm working out. I come back in here, and then I go back out. I came back in my office. I came back out. I'm literally doing a workout. And every time I came back, I was up 50,000, 60,000, 100,000, 200,000. And then I saw APVO, and it got me more confidence. I'm like, I'm going to hold. And then I came back, and I locked everything in over $8 today. I locked my entire E-Trade Pro account and ONCT over $8 today. And in my inherited IRA, I locked it about $770, $790, and $750. Okay? That's the reality. And then I'm back in overnight with an average of 616. It's much less size, but I still have a good amount of shares overnight. I have about, in total, between my inherited IRA and my challenge account, I have about 70,000 shares left. I had a total at one point as 170,000 shares. What's going on, BK Mini? What's going on, Lizzie? Good to have you on. I never see you in here, but good to have you on, Lizzie. Hopefully you had a good day. But anyways, yeah, so, I'm trying to show you guys these things are possible. I'm trying to give you guys an example or an idea that, these things, and I'm living proof. And I had 170,000 shares of, ONCT. And I've now brought it down to 70,000 just because I want to take on the risk. I want to make sure I take off some risk, and that's just the way I trade. Okay? And I'll explain why I had that kind of size in a second. But anyways, so let me go ahead and go into profit loss room. Okay. Okay, everyone, please post your ONCT profits. Okay, so we got MFT up $1,500 today. Nice. $1,600 on Jackson Hole. $500 on Toya. ONCT. 1K intraday, 1.5K after hours. That's sick, Jordan. We got $3,000 on Miego. What else, guys? We got, what does this look like? $4,700 on with Pika. Okay. Anyone else? Come on. I know that there's more out there. Trader up. P&L $58. Awesome. P&L 5,000. Awesome. This is so cool. Top Cat 76K. That's sick, guys. Anyone else? Anyone else, guys? Everyone, post your profits in profit loss on ONCT. Literally, I was preaching this one all day, guys. Small account. Yeah, I know. That's awesome. Diego the Bull, $2,600 today. Ah, whoa. Diego the Bull, you lost $450 on ONCT. Yikes. How the heck did that happen? 3,400. We got Trader View, $22,000. Awesome. National Way, I'm sorry to see that. Buddy Guy, ONCT up $1,200, up 67%, guys. ONTT of $120. $4,600 today, guys. $4,700 today. What else do we got? We got $2,200. Lack, I remember seeing you get out there. I remember seeing that. $350. I remember seeing you get out. That's okay, Lack. Don't let the emotional, psychological side chase. Okay, just this is gonna happen. I've had it happen before. Yes, I have a Discord. Anyways, guys, congrats to all those guys that profit, all those people that profited today. I'm really, really excited for you guys. I couldn't be more ecstatic to go into Friday like this. I always get more fired up when you guys make profits more than I do, right? Congrats, easy trading today. I doubled my account. That's sick, John. These are rare times. 235%. That's sick. Awesome, awesome stuff. But anyways, I've gotten to a point in my career where, I teach and mentor, guys. That's what I do. I literally show you guys my strategies, and I teach you guys all my strategies. And it doesn't make me any more happy. I might be up. I had a personal PR today, but it makes me the happiest when you guys are up. I don't come on here every day for free. I don't have a course. I don't have all this stuff. I don't have a chat room. I only truly, truly care about you guys. I have a trading account these days because I want to motivate you guys. That's why I started with $1,000. You think when I started with $1,000 that I wanted to start with $1,000? No, I would rather just trade with a couple $100,000 or my account $500,000. I'd rather trade with that amount so I can make more every day. But I do the small account challenges, and for the first 3 months, I probably lost out on at least $1 million plus, $1.5 million in the 3 or 4 months that I started off slow because I had $1,000. But I do that for you guys because I want to motivate you guys. I want to show you guys when starting with $1,000, you can have a big dream in life. I started with $1,000, and now I can buy a mansion. Now I can buy a Ferrari in less than a year. In less than a year, I started with $1,000. I think I can buy anything that would make you happy. And I do that to motivate. I do that to show you guys. And honestly, I'm not a flashy guy. I really am not. I love food. I spend money on food, and that's about it. But I'm considering buying a bunch of Ferraris. I'm considering, buying a mansion and all this stuff and all the Rolexes and all the chains to show you guys. I'm not going to buy a chain, but to show you guys that, this is possible and I'm living proof of it, okay? Guys, I was in ONCT today at an average of 370, 365 with over a $500,000 position. I started scaling some at 460, and then when APVO went, I started scaling some more. APVO went to $87, and the only reason why I was in the ONCT was because APVO, I was looking at a sympathy off of APVO, and I was like, you know what, my goal is $5. But when I saw APVO going from 50 to 60 to 70 to 80 to 87, I kept adding and scaling in and out, all right? And let me go ahead and show you guys all my trades for the day, fully verified and fully time-stamped here. I know some of you guys don't like how long this takes, but it's okay because I just want to show you guys all my trades, okay? All right, so here's all my trades for the day. Let me scroll down. Those of you guys can go back and look and see all my shares that went through in and out. You're going to see it fully verified, fully timestamped. So here's all the executions. Here's the timestamps. Here's the amount of shares, the quantity. Here's the ticker. How did I buy it? Limit or market? I bought it market usually. What was on the bid and the ask? The average price that I got filled and how many shares I got filled. Okay, so there's that. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll through this, okay? Mogo, I started off down the day $20,000. Okay, you're going to see that if you go back and look at all my trades. Lost on Mogo, lost on ONCT, lost on Mios. Okay, So here's all my trades for today. I'm going to scroll through and then I'll scroll back. And you guys can see a common theme, mainly ONCT for today. In the morning, I was down 20 grand and then I just stuck in ONCT. Okay? And I'll explain why here in a second. This guy is the real deal. Bought his video series, definitely learned a lot, and gave me the confidence to trade double my account this year. Robert, I'm glad you found me. I'm glad that I could help you, and let's continue to grow on that, okay? I'll scroll through it one more time. I'll go a little slower. Here's all my trades fully verified and fully time-stamped. Yes, Corey, if you're PDT, it's different, but I did start with $1,000 and showed you guys how I get through the $1,000, $25,000, how my trades are. You can go back and look at my YouTube. Cam the Man is my YouTube. Cam the Man is my YouTube. Go back and look through my YouTube. You'll see that. Okay? There's all my trades, guys. I'll go through like that. Those of you guys can go back and look and see. You can pause the video, and that way you guys can see all my trades. Okay? But anyways. Okay. So, let me go ahead and go over today's trading day now. All right? Okay. So, APVO, guys. I want you guys to see APVO. So, APVO, I don't think I've seen this before, but it's had 1, 2, 3, 4 green days, and this is the 4th green day going on a 5th green day. This thing literally came out of nowhere. I don't think it had any news. I just think shorts got squeezed, okay? All of a sudden, volume started coming in. 26. And we had 33. This thing went to, was it 82? I was wrong. 82, sorry. $82 a share. Literally, ONCT, the only reason why it's been holding up, in my opinion, and the reason why it ran to begin with, because it's the sympathy play off APVO. APVO went from $6 to now $82 in 4 days. This thing was holding in there, holding in there, holding in there. Then we had a nice pop after hours. And this pop, this is, okay, let me show you guys. This pop right here happened before the run of APVO. So this pop was all natural, right? Nothing happened on APVO. This just happened after hours, right? Then we started to get a run on APVO. If you look at the time, 13:52 was when the initial run started happening, right? This initial run started happening at 13:20. So it took 30 minutes for this thing to react, right? Okay. So that is strength on its own. That means this thing had already was going to run even if APVO didn't, right? Then APVO started running, and that's when you see this secondary move. I started adding, and you guys can go back and look through my timestamps. Literally, I was back. So I sold off about half my account up in here. Then I was like, okay, I'm done. I'll sell the rest above, on Monday. I'll hold it overnight, okay? Wait, you can't see what? Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. APVO. Sorry, guys. Okay, and then ONCT. Apologize. Okay, so. Sorry, let me explain that again. So, this initial move, I was like, okay, I'm going to watch this after hours and see if it started squeezing. This thing squeezed 30 minutes before this squeeze even happened, okay? The only reason why I'm long ONCT is because it's a sympathy play, obviously, because there's no news on this thing. It keeps holding up. It keeps grinding. It keeps making moves, right, with volume. And then all of a sudden, this thing popped, right? And this is what happened. It squeezed the shorts out, right? And that was before this move even started. Let's get that clear. So this was going to happen no matter what, right? This was going to happen all natural before this happened. Then this happened. I scaled off some in here. And then I re-added full size right back in here. You're gonna so right when I saw this thing running, saw it like at 55 is when I started adding. So I added at 470s and 475s right in here. And then I scaled some. Actually, no, I didn't scale any until above 8. When we hit above 8, that is when I got out my entire account, right? So that's how I traded that. Because this thing ran so far, I knew we were going to get FOMO, right? Then I sold half my inherited IRA in this as well, all above 750, 770s, 790s, okay, about a 364 average as well. So now what I'm looking at is ONCT consolidation, right? And so basically I'm in again. Not nearly as big a size. I'm in about a third of the size. But I'm looking for a gap up on Monday. Now I'm in at 616 is my average in my E-Trade account. And I still have my 362 average in my inherited IRA. You guys can see that position right here. Okay. $103,000 at 616 cost basis. Okay. And I really do think we're going to get more continuation on Monday because of the initial move without APVO. This initial move was without APVO. This wasn't. So already priced in, I'm thinking without APVO, this could have gone to 520s. Now we're at 6, but APVO is now up to 300% higher than what it was initially at. So I hope that makes sense. Okay? But anyways, guys, that's really it. Today, again, we're up over, so you guys can see there, we're up over $430,000 in locked-in gains between my inherited IRA and my challenge account, and in total, we're up about $550,000 unrealized in total. So it should be fun on Monday. I'm looking forward to Monday, guys. Watch out for APVO. This thing could go insane. ONTC, if APVO doesn't run anymore and just kind of stays there, it goes up a little bit. I still think ONTC has more room to run. And that's about it, guys. Those of you guys are asking about the course. Yes, I have a course. It teaches you guys all my strategies, how I turn 1,000 to over $4 million in 226 business days. It's in the link in the description below. I have a free chat room as well. You can check that out as well. I'll post a link there. It's in the free chat. Diego said, congratulations, Coach Cam. Happy for you. I appreciate that, Diego. I hope you had a great trading day. I know that I saw you in the chat, and I believe that you had a $2,600 day. That's awesome stuff. One of my better students is Diego the Bull. Very motivated, very dedicated, and I appreciate you for being always on here, always dedicated. That's the kind of students I look for. People that are dedicated, people that are motivated. Jose's another one. Always dedicated, always motivated, always on stream. You're another great student, Jose. I believe you have the course as well. I love my dedicated students. Those of you guys who are half-assing it, or half in, half out, I love you guys too. I just don't love you as much. But no, I mean, I just want you guys to be more motivated and more driven every day. Make yesterday better than today. I hope you guys are all banking, and this takes hard work. This takes time. This takes effort. The course is $1,949.99. A lot cheaper than student loans. A lot cheaper than student debt. Probably a lot cheaper than how much you guys have lost, or some of you guys have lost, because I know 90% of traders fail, and I do my very best to create you guys to be hopefully successful students. That's why I teach. That's why I mentor. That's why I motivate for you guys. That's why I teach you guys, and I hope you guys are all. I can't hope that you guys are all profitable, and I can't hope that, but what I can say is that I hope you guys are all wanting to learn, all wanting to make yesterday or today better than yesterday. Okay? So hopefully you guys are enjoying your weekend. Hopefully you guys had a great trading day. Hopefully you guys all banked on ONCT. I really, really hope that. I talked about it all day. I didn't post any overnight ideas because ONCT was my top watch. I couldn't have said it anymore. ONCT was my top watch. And this thing moved great today. So a great trading day. Check out my course. I just posted it in Chop Chat. I'll post it again here. It's all in the link in the description below. Check out my scanners. I use those as well. My camera won't work so you can't see it. Also check out my brokerage that I recommend. It pays you up to 2 free stocks. Valued up to over $1,400 or up to $1,400. It's free money no matter what you sign up. You get free money, so check that out. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. Hopefully you guys have a great trading day. I'll answer the first 3 questions that I see, but I do have to head out, guys. I do have to head out. I'll answer the first 3 questions I see. You should do a whole question and answer. Yeah, Corey, I should. I do have a question and answer segment in my course, Corey. It's about 3 hours, so trust me, it covers pretty much everything I can think of. Was there news on ONCT before APVO? No, I don't believe there was. It's just all sympathy, and that's why I like it, because ONCT already proved that it can run without news. To me, that shows living proof that that ONCT was the sympathy play of APVO. APVO, yes, still has potential. It's high risk, but it's also high reward. Where can I buy your course? Okay, Alexander, I posted it in Top Chat. You can see it right there. I posted it in Top Chat. It's also in the link description below on my YouTube bio. Do I use VWAP? Yes, the only indicator that I'll use really is VWAP. The secondary one that I might use 13 EMA, but VWAP is the only one I truly use for my trading. I just posted it, Alex. Alexander Antonio. I just posted the link. It's also in the link description below. Yeah, Webull is great. E-Trade is great too. Were you accumulating after I saw the second pickup? I was accumulating all day. I almost stopped out. I was 1 cent from stopping out. I forgot to mention that. I literally was like very, very close to stopping out on a big position, but I didn't. Because it didn't hit my stop loss. My stop loss was about 358 to 360, and it didn't hit it. It was 360, and it didn't go below that. Sorry. Where can I buy your course? I already said that. Hopefully you can find that, Alexander. Thanks. Jay Cossack, awesome. I have a couple of people who have been following you. Where do I go to buy your course? Okay, I'll post it right there. I'll literally post it 3 times so you can see it. Right there. Amanda Kressel, right there. I just posted it 3 times. It's also in the link description below. Do you suggest swing trading stocks and new stock? It's up to you. You have to. I mean, you can't get out, so yeah. Cam, you holding over the weekend ONCT? Yes, I am. I'm holding ONCT over the weekend. You are correct, Wes. I have about 70K shares of ONCT over the weekend. My favorite food, Killer Capricorn. Great question. A5 Wagyu. It's called pierogi beef. It's one of my favorite foods. Also, the Met carrot cake is right up there too. I'm a big steak guy. One of my favorite tequilas is Azul. I just figured that out the other day. My favorite tequila is one of my favorites. I recommend you guys try it. Azul. Alright, guys. That's really all I had. Please like and subscribe. Smash that subscribe button. I smash that subscribe button. It helps the NorMacNoTrading.com community out. Smash that subscribe button. Smash that subscribe button. Smash that subscribe button. I really, really appreciate that. Smash that subscribe button. It helps the community out a ton. Smash the like button as well. Smash the like button as well. Sure it can, Wes, but I'm willing to take that risk because that reward is great enough. I already have that all weighed in. Any discount price on TI? Use CAM15 all caps. CAM15 all caps. That'll help you on trade ideas. No discount on my scanners right now. Smash that subscribe button. Going into the weekend harder than you're going to party because you just made so much at ONCT. Okay? Do me a favor. Do that. Alright, guys. Smash that like button. Smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button. It helps the community out a ton. Smash it. I'll say it one more time. Smash it. And I'll see you guys on Monday. Alright? Appreciate every single one of my supporters out there. Thanks for representing NorMacNoTrading.com community. If you're interested in some merch, check it out. It's on the website. Got the hat, got the shirt, all fresh AF. And I'll see you guys on Monday.